Today we're building a contact form using AI and we're going to embed it as a pop-up on our website. So just to get started, we're using Weavely.ai, of course. We're gonna make it funny. It's a tutorial anyway. So let's say make me a sarcastic contact form for my AI tool. Let's go ahead and let Weavely create the contact form. We're going to give it some minor tweaks. So it came up with some funny stuff. Of course, that's not something you use for your actual website, but let's go. So we're going to put the backgrounds to transparent, which is going to make it integrate into our website a bit better. And then we're going to change the color as well. So we have something which is going to fit our website look, which is here. Okay, so we can go ahead and publish the form here. And of course, given that this is Weavely, we'll have the form both as a standalone form, but that's not what we want. We want to embed it on our website. And here's two ways to do this in Weavely. So the first thing is just with a regular embed. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to copy this script and put it in the head of your website. So here I'm actually in the source code of my website. I don't suggest that you actually code websites by hand like some sort of cave person. I'm guessing you're using Webflow or other tools, but essentially it's the same principle, right? You need to find the head, put that script in there, and that's the first step. The second step is that we have this div here, which is where we actually want our form to appear on the web page. So let me copy paste this and then add it right here underneath the tagline forms that build themselves in our website. And that's essentially it, right? So we have the forms that build themselves element here. And as you can see, we have our nice sarcastic form with the transparent background underneath it. So maybe the transparent background wasn't that good of a design idea, but it works, right? So that's how you embed it on a website. So the second option you have is by embedding it as a pop-up. So the principle is the same. We have a script here and we have a div here, which we're going to add to our website. But you can also choose how it animates, how long it should wait until the pop-up shows up, what the scroll threshold should be. So for example, only show the pop-up if somebody scrolls past X% of the page, and how long the pop-up should be visible after submission. So depending where you put the div, the pop-up will appear on different places on your website. In our case, we're going to just make it appear at the top level of the website, so fill the entire screen. So this means that we first want to do away with this sort of total background here for the page, and let's also make the panel colored again. Okay, so now that we have something a bit more sensible from a design perspective, let's go ahead and take this snippet here and add it to our website. And after a second, my pop-up form shows up, and if I click outside of the form, it actually goes away. So if I reload this again, you can see the form appears as a pop-up, and then I can simply click away and the pop-up will disappear. So that's it. That's how you use embed and pop-up in Weavely.ai. Of course, you'll get your data in the results tab, but you'll probably want to set up an integration so that you have your data coming into your CRM, for example, in the case of a contact form. Happy building!